David and Irene Falk's romance dates back more than 62 years.
My grandma and grandpa really had a fantastic love story.
A storybook tale of sorts, meeting at teaching school in Saskatchewan, writing love letters while Irene worked in Africa. But one bite from a mosquito would change their lives forever.
She got bit by a mosquito that had malaria, and it was so bad she actually had to return to Canada. And that's when my grandma and grandpa reconnected and eventually got married.
More than 6 decades of marriage, 3 sons, and 4 grandchildren later.
If it weren't for that mosquito, I might not be here, which is a strange thing to think about.
But on November 23rd, in the largest COVID-19 outbreak in the Fraser Health region, Irene Falk lost her life to the virus. And just 2 weeks later, on December 6th, David joined her as one of the at least 24 that died from COVID-19 at Tabor Village long-term care facility in Abbotsford.
It's really painful. On the other hand, I mean, it sounds strange to say, but I'm glad they were able to go together.
Their family, spread across Canada, the U.S., and France, kept apart because of the pandemic, says the loss is one they haven't come to terms with quite yet, but one they want to use as a reminder for the rest.
The rules are pretty simple. You know, you wash your hands, you keep your distance, you wear a mask. It's not rocket science. And when you don't follow it, there are severe consequences.
Consequences that took both parents before their families were ready to let go.
They're innocent. They're not going out without masks. They're not spending time with large groups of people, but the actions of others have consequences.
And consequences that cost the couple their lives. Zara Premji, CBC News, Vancouver.